Now let's draw some snow people. We're going to first start with a circle, a small one, then a medium circle, and then a very large circle. And when we fill in circles, they're really dots. We're going to press hard with our oil pastels, and then another one, because we're going to make two snow people, just like in the story. A large dot filled in to make it look snowy and cold. And now let's think about arms. So we're going to make stick arms, and we draw them with lines that look like the letter Y. That looks like a stick. That's how we draw branches. And then we can try to do some little eyes using black dots. And we can also use the black dots to make buttons. Then we're going to think about what would be a good way to make a nose. How about a carrot nose? With a bright orange oil pastel, a thick line that can look just like a carrot. Now we could make a mouth with little black dots. And let's add a scarf, a nice red scarf with a thick red line. Make sure we press hard to cover up the white oil pastel. And we can add some white stripes for the scarf. And maybe a little yellow fringe. Make it nice and bright, flying up in the air. And a snow person needs a hat. We're going to make a half circle, curved line, fill it in, cover up half that head, because of course your head is covered up by your hat. So you want to make sure that your snow person's head is covered. And maybe a red pom-pom to match the scarf. I think that would be a good idea. Here's a bright red pom-pom, circle, it's a little dot. And for the other snow person, a purple line right where their head is. And you might want to make sure the hat looks like it's on the snow person's head. And this one's going to be more of a cap. And then a scarf, a purple scarf that matches the hat with some black stripes and a little black fringe. It's time to draw the snow that they're sitting on. So we're going to color the snow with our white oil pastel. Color around, make it nice and thick cold snow with our oil pastel. So we can make some snowflakes by making X's with lines, X and a line, X and a line. This is a pattern. And we can add another pattern to this blizzard pattern, snow blizzard, by adding white dots. So we have snowflake dots and snowflake X's with lines that make up our snowstorm blizzard. And there we have our two snow people in a blizzard that we drew ourselves. Thanks for spending some creative time with me today. If you enjoyed today's session, you can hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss a new one. And remember, stories give us ideas, and drawing helps us explore them. See you next time.